Here at the Institute for Molecular Bioscience, my research is trying to understand how our DNA can lead to some people being more susceptible to heart disease compared to others. By understanding that better, we can hopefully not only come up with new treatments, but we can also try and predict who's more likely to develop heart disease in the future so that we have more time to actually prevent disease in the first place.
We've been studying heart disease for a long time. When a heart attack occurs, effectively there's a loss of blood flow to the heart. And when that happens, the cells become starved of oxygen, and this creates a stress response in those cells. We've identified a drug from the venom of the Fraser Island funnel web spider that blocks this cell stress response. I'm hoping that we'll be able to progress this into the clinic and really make a difference for people who are experiencing heart disease.
So the problem we set out to solve in the lab is really the problem of vessel malfunction. Even though we've got so many blood vessels in our body, each vessel is really unique. So we're finding these really specific factors that are present in the brain, and we know now that they're somehow modified differently in a disease setting. Success from our research would really come from finding those novel factors that we can use to modify specific vessel systems or specific vessel networks only in certain organs. So if we can try and change that modification, then maybe we can prevent that disease from happening in the first place.
My team is really focused on trying to understand the specific signals within the cells of the blood vessel wall. And if we can understand how these signals work, we can understand how blood vessels function in a range of diseases. We've developed a range of different ways to watch how things happen in real time.
To really tackle an important question, we need to look at it from different angles.
You can't make an impactful difference if you're just doing science on your own.
Our team's daring to imagine that we could actually solve one of the biggest problems in the world.
The research that I'm doing now really wouldn't be possible without the collaborative networks that we have both at the IMB and within UQ as a whole.
Every study that we do is bringing new knowledge, and it's really this collective knowledge that's going to have any real-world impact.
At the Institute for Molecular Bioscience, we dare to imagine.
We dare to imagine.
We dare to imagine.
We dare to imagine a world without cardiovascular disease.